All right, integrated 1-2. Today is Tuesday. Again, hopefully you guys are doing well. Again, washing your hands quite a bit, staying healthy, and doing the work that I'm asking you to do. Remember, when we go through these notes, do it just like we're in class. Write the things down that you need to. Make sure you're not listening to your earphones at the time that we're doing this, not on your cell phone. Again, you got to give it your attention if you want to be successful. So, for today, we're going to be looking at page 908. So I'm going to write this out for you here. Page 908, 909, and 910. So if you don't have your textbook, go ahead and go grab that now. And we'll take a look at a few things here together. So I get my textbook turned to page 908. I will. Let's see what we have. So starting with page 908. Okay, we're going to be looking at problem numbers 3 through 6. All right, so on page 908, number 3 through 6, well, starting with 3 and 4, okay, you're going to be trying to find the sum of the interior angles of some polygon. So there's a formula for that. Do you remember the formula to find the angles, the sum of the angles of a polygon? I'll give you a second to think about it. I think you probably do. M minus 2 times 180 degrees. So I just take the number of sides. N stands for number of sides, if you've forgotten that. Number of sides, just multiply that by, or sorry, subtract from 2 first. Subtract 2 from it. Sorry. These videos are unedited. They just, whatever I'm saying, I say. So again, take the sides, subtract 2, and then multiply by 180 degrees, and that will tell you what the sum of the angles inside your polygon equals. So we did an example of this before, but I'll do one real quick. Let's say you had a pentagon. Pentagon is a 5-sided shape, so you would do 5 minus 2 times 180. Okay, if you have a calculator, you might want to use it for this. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 180 is 540 degrees. So if I add up all the angles of a pentagon, they will add up to 540. When you get to number 5 and 6, I think you'll be okay there. A big thing to remember, isosceles triangles have 2 congruent sides, and the angles opposite them are congruent. When you do 5 and 6, make sure you draw a picture. So for 5 and 6, recall this, that for an isosceles triangle, you have 2 sides are congruent, and their opposite angles are congruent. Again, for 5 and 6, draw a picture. That'll get you through it. Okay, make sure that you do. Okay, next page that you're going to work on there is page 909. So go ahead and turn the page. Page 909. We're just going to do number 7. All right, so for page 909, number 7, this one is asking us to find all of those angles, and there's quite a few. So a few things to think about there to be able to do this. You want to think about finding some of the angles with this. So if you're trying to find angle 1, okay, and you read through this, you'll kind of see. But you've got to use this idea. So finding angle 1 and angle 3, the idea is that it tells you in the problem that one of the angles is 3 times the other. So this will work. I'll let you kind of investigate and figure out which is which. And this is going to equal 180. Because again, it said one of the angles was 3 times the other angle. So you'll solve there, plug back in. Again, maybe label some things in the picture. That's going to help you out. Now, you want to call angle 8 and angle 4, call them y. And they must be the same. So you've got y plus 76 should equal 180. Should be able to find all the other angles mostly from there, I think. A few other things to think about is that exterior angle theorem that we've had come up a few times. So if, for example, I call this angle 1, remember that is the sum of angle 2 and 3. So angle 1 equals the sum of the two far interior angles. Remember, this is called an exterior angle. So angle 1 equals angle 2 plus angle 3. You can also use the idea of linear pairs to find things that you need there. That the sum of linear pairs is 180 degrees. So that's kind of a key for you there. I think 909 is number 7 is kind of a tough question. Takes a little bit of time. Don't get frustrated right away and give up. Keep trying for it. Okay, last page, page 910. You're going to be doing numbers 1 through 3. And basically the key to doing page 910, 1 through 3, I really do think is when you're stuck, draw a picture and label what you have. I think you should do it even if you're not stuck. Draw and label a picture. Again, that should be very helpful for you in order to find those missing parts. Okay? And with that, I'm going to say enough is enough for today. So the idea here would be that you need to, again, keep up with the work. Make sure you're not falling behind. Watch the videos. And again, just practice good hygiene, washing those hands the best you can, and making sure that you stay safe. So looking forward to seeing you guys again. Have a great afternoon. I will see you tomorrow. Again, assignment for today is page 908, 3 through 6, page 909, number 7, and page 910. We're going to do 1 through 3. All right, have a great day.